How easy and simple it is to drink a big pill by itself and the baby. We usually start stapping. This can be done by spoonfuls, crush, but it's okay to take half a pill just to lose it. The easiest way to do it, the doctor told me, how to give a baby a pill, especially the big one. We're gonna need the most basic, a simple syringe. We're popping a pill into a syringe and close the syringe back here. That's how we get it down extra air. We take the water. We're gonna get some water here. This way from here on out. With your thumb covering and start the syringe. Just like this to shoot what's going on in this, the pill's momentum quickly. It's the most a cool way after that, where we take a spoon and squeeze it all out a full pill, and now it's safe to take it. Take note. Put it up. Like, subscribe, be like. Everybody's healthy. Don't ever get sick. Stop with the old tweezers. Throwing it in the trash is enough. Wasting money on everything. What you need to do is sharpen the tweezers back so that it becomes a new one like the one from the store is made. It's all easy to do at home under the most ordinary of conditions. Objects with a regular file of the nails. We take the tweezers and we put saw blade across the tweezers, crimping with a file, and one of these. We're gonna slowly start our tweezers a little bit sharpening. 15 to 20 swipes in reverse the side will suffice in order to sharpen the tweezers, and it started working as if you'd just bought from the store. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Enough. The tweezers are fully sharpened, all the roughness out of it, and it's now safe to check even on the smallest hair. Take it, clamp it. Everything works perfectly fine. The easiest way to do it, how to save money. Take note, like, subscribe. I have thousands of great ideas. Like from a large container, pour into a small bottle of liquid, if you don't have watering cans. Sure you can, try to do it's like this, but we spill half of it just passing by. And it's a way for us doesn't fit. But it's easy to do. We're getting water again to full capacity. After that, all we have to do you'll need to have in your house there's absolutely always is even in your pocket. It's just a regular simple spoon. Here. That's how we're gonna get her set it up. After that, gently pick up the bottom of the you should have this design, and after we'll take this one quietly, and this is how overflow. It's all safe in any container without spilling a single drop. The way it works is simple perfectly with the usual spoons. Take note, like, subscribe. I have thousands of great ideas. Prick a fork on the fire and insects are bigger than you will not be disturbed. With a heated fork, pick up and at any bank, we start to put holes in the top. They don't have to be large, but there should be enough a lot. After the fact, how we've made a lot holes, we take the most basic solo pour it like this, to cover the entire bottom. Add a couple leaves of laurel. All insects hate him. We'll be sure to add a spoonful of turmeric. Insects are his too. Can't stand it. And add 1 teaspoon, a spoonful of ground coffee. Close the jar. Shake it up. We mix all the ingredients and we're getting a better remedy against insects. We install on the windowsill by the door and no insect will ever bother you. Take note. Like, subscribe. I have thousands of great ideas. 3 liters of natural juice from 1 orange. You can do it yourself at home. We take 1 orange, cut it into little bits and pieces. Not too big, so they'll fit. And we'll do the same thing with the second part. These pieces will be that's enough. It all depends on the size of your blender. Put the orange in the blender, close it up and start whipping. Until smooth. Whipped until smooth. Masses of juice. Remove the blade. And juice. 2 liters of boiled water. Of water that's cooled down. Our juice goes into a jar. Add 4 spoonfuls of sugar. Stir. 30 minutes of infusion and we get 3 liters. Natural juice from 1 orange. Take note, subscribe, I have a lot of great ideas. What does the foil have, glossy side and matte side? 99% of people don't know. Why tinfoil has 2 sides. They're made for a reason, they each have their own function. The matte side is designed for baking. If we want to bake potatoes, then we wrap the foil matte side up like this so our potatoes bakes 5 times faster and it does bake, but if we want to boil the potatoes, we flip the foil over matte side inward, glossy side outwards, like this, less heat penetration, and our potatoes, respectively, is stewed, not baked. That's the tricky part about with regular foil. Be sure to take a note, save it, so you don't lose it. Subscribe, I have thousands of great ideas. Never throw away empty toilet paper sleeves. Take some water to the bushing, and that's how we start. Thoroughly wet our roll in the water. We have to soak him inside and out, but not to soak it up. He's got to keep your condition carefully soaked to the point where he's was wet here and thereafter, and then we put it in microwave 30-second timer, and 30 seconds will be quite a bit more time you don. Need to have everything. I got this life hack, saves money, save time. It's very easy to do, but it's very effective. It'll even be enough 25 seconds. No way, don't overdo it. After that we open and get a fresh one, neat roll of toilet paper. Do not use immediately, he's a little hot. Take note, like, subscribe. I have thousands of cool ideas. How to make a cooler bag at home in just 1 hour. It's all done, very simply. We're gonna need one of either a diaper, any diaper at all, and water. That's the way it is. We open the water and we start diaper all the way down by pouring water on it. Don't spare any water, diapers absorb water about 5 liters. After we poured the right amount of water here, flatten it out like this and send a diaper to 5 hours in the freezer. Through 5 o'clock diapering, he's gonna be absolutely frozen to hold on for a very long time. Now we're packing for our trip. Our food frozen all the way down in a regular bag, and on top of that settle the diaper and close up the package. We're getting perfect cooler bag done in just 1 hour. Take note, put it up. Like, subscribe to me, thousands of cool ideas.